Sony PlayStation VR Review, Gaming in Virtual Reality. Title: Sony PlayStation VR Review, Gaming in Virtual Reality. Introduction. With the advent of virtual reality, VR, the gaming landscape has been forever transformed. Sony, a pioneer in the world of gaming consoles, has taken the plunge into this immersive realm with the Sony PlayStation VR. This cutting-edge device aims to transport players into a world where they can truly live and breathe their favorite games. In this review, we will delve into the features, performance, gaming experience, and potential drawbacks of the Sony PlayStation VR. Design and features. The Sony PlayStation VR boasts a sleek and futuristic design, while ensuring user comfort during prolonged gaming sessions. The head-mounted display is well-balanced and lightweight, with adjustable straps for a secure fit. The 5.7-inch OLED screen provides impressive visuals, thanks to a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The VR headset also comes equipped with an integrated microphone, allowing for seamless voice interactions during online gaming sessions. Furthermore, the inclusion of 9 positional LEDs enhances the accuracy of motion tracking, offering a more immersive experience to players. Setup and compatibility. Setting up the PlayStation VR is relatively straightforward. It requires connecting the headset to the PlayStation 4 console using a single cable, and the PlayStation camera for accurate positional tracking. While the setup process is intuitive, it is important to ensure adequate space for free movement during gaming sessions. In terms of compatibility, the PlayStation VR is compatible with all PlayStation 4 models, lending itself to a wide user base. Sony's commitment to compatibility is commendable, as it allows gamers to seamlessly transition into the VR realm without the need to invest in a new console. Performance and display. The PlayStation VR's performance is impressive, with low latency providing a smooth gaming experience. The visuals are vibrant, and the OLED display delivers deep blacks, enhancing contrast and overall visual quality. However, it is worth noting that some users have reported the presence of a screen door effect, wherein the gaps between pixels become visible, slightly affecting immersion. The refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures minimal motion blur and reduces the possibility of motion sickness during gameplay. With the PlayStation VR, Sony ensures that the user's gaming experience is not compromised due to subpar performance. Gaming experience. When it comes to gaming experience, the Sony PlayStation VR truly shines. The immersive nature of virtual reality gaming allows players to feel transported into another world, merging reality and fiction. Tie-in. The headset accurately tracks head movements, and the inclusion of PlayStation Move controllers and the DualShock 4 controller further enhances interactivity within the virtual environment. Sony has also curated an impressive library of games for the PlayStation VR, ranging from adrenaline-inducing action titles to thought-provoking puzzle adventures. Games such as Resident Evil 7, Hazard and Astrobot Rescue Mission showcase the true potential of gaming in virtual reality, making the PlayStation VR a must-have for any gaming enthusiast. Drawbacks. While the Sony PlayStation VR undoubtedly offers an exceptional gaming experience, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. Firstly, the requirement of a PlayStation camera for accurate motion tracking adds to the overall cost, making it a less budget-friendly option compared to other VR alternatives. Moreover, the PlayStation VR's resolution, although decent, falls short of the higher resolution displays offered by some competitors. While Sony has promised to address this in subsequent iterations, it is currently a factor that may impact visual fidelity. Sony PlayStation VR is a groundbreaking device that revolutionizes the gaming experience by immersing players in the virtual reality (VR) world. This review explores the features, performance, gameplay, experience, and potential drawbacks of the Sony PlayStation VR. Design and features. The Sony PlayStation VR boasts a sleek, futuristic design that prioritizes user comfort during extended gaming sessions. The well-balanced and lightweight head-mounted display comes with adjustable straps for a secure fit. Its 5.7-inch OLED screen provides impressive visuals, thanks to a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Moreover, the VR headset includes an integrated microphone, facilitating seamless voice interactions during online gaming. The addition of 9 positional LEDs improves motion tracking accuracy, and enhancing immersion for players. Setup and compatibility. The setup process for the PlayStation VR is relatively straightforward. It involves connecting the headset to the PlayStation 4 console using a single cable and pairing it with the PlayStation camera. For precise positional tracking, it's important to ensure adequate space for free movement during gaming sessions. In terms of compatibility, the PlayStation VR is compatible with all PlayStation 4 models, making it accessible to a wide user base. Sony's commitment to compatibility allows gamers to seamlessly transition into the VR realm without investing in a new console. Performance and display. The PlayStation VR delivers impressive performance with low latency, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. The OLED display offers vibrant visuals, deep blacks, enhanced contrast, and overall visual cue. OLED. However, some users have reported a slight screen door effect, where pixel gaps become visible, affecting immersion to a small extent. The 120 Hz refresh rate minimizes motion blur and reduces the risk of motion sickness during gameplay. With the PlayStation VR, Sony ensures that the user's gaming experience remains uncompromised and enjoyable. Gaming experience. The Sony PlayStation VR excels in providing an exceptional gaming experience.